Remove front patch pockets using seam ripper. Cut off sleeves and trim shirt into a rectangle. Trim side seams and cut 8 by 8 centimeter corner squares. Cut sleeve strip and fold edges to form handles. Top stitch handle sides, mark placement lines, and clip. Stitch handles to panel and sew one side seam. Position and sew removed pockets over stitched seam. Sew remaining side, top, and bottom edges, serge allowances. Align and stitch corner cutouts to form volume. Serge corner raw edges and turn bag right side out. Show finished denim bag.